Well, I'm doing my Shed Wars Innovation Challenge, and it's going to be a pole with beans growing up. So we'll see how it turns out, y'all. Y'all stick around for more. Hello everyone, this is going to be my Shed Wars Innovation Challenge. I made this raised bed. I'm not finished yet. Made this little raised bed. I'm going to fill it with soil. I'm going to plant some pole beans in it. Then I'm going to run some string line from there down here and let the beans grow up the string. I hope it works. So y'all stick around for the finished product and see if it works. I got this idea from Jules. So thank you, Jules. Show y'all what happened to the cabbage. It kind of didn't do nothing. Wilted down to nothing. That freeze just kind of killed it off, I guess. But I got to get all these tomatoes. I got a little bit of cabbage. I mean, not cabbage, lettuce growing. Well, only bok choy I got, and it didn't do nothing. Tomatoes are doing great. But I'm harvesting my spinach. I'm gonna harvest. This came out of this tub, and I need to harvest that tub. I'm gonna do away with 2 tubs. Then I got this tub to harvest, but I'm gonna save this one. That'll give me 2 tubs to plant something else in. Well, we got tomatoes. Look at them poor cabbage plants. Well, all the cabbage plants are going to the compost pile. Randy's got her mariachi peppers growing here. We got to get her a bed to put them in. Got some cilantro growing in this little tub. Now I'm gonna have so many tomatoes I don't know what to do. Got 2 tomato plants. I don't know what that is. I think that's a pepper plant that come up volunteer. Couple more tomato plants. I believe that's marigolds that's coming up right there. I got some parsley planted around here. A little bit more lettuce that didn't hardly take. I'm still contemplating on if this blackberry bush is going to give me some berries or not. I don't see no bees in here to pollinate. More tomatoes. This head of cabbage looks good, but it's not. It's just real soft. So I guess no cabbage this year. And over here we got chives that's going to seed already. And I'm going to save these seeds this year. But that's all we have right now, except for what's in the front of the house. I guess I can give you an update on that. Still going to build raised beds out of these old boards that my son-in-law gave me. I'm going to rip that metal in half and make some raised beds out of that. Now let's walk over here and look, see what Brandy has planted. Look, this grass has already grown up since I mowed it last week. That's our pepper plants. They're doing fairly well. I did fertilize them. They need watering again. And these are, it's a yellow tomato plant. It's not gonna make it. I will kill it all. These are 3 more tomato plants. Looking kind of weak. This one looks pretty good. But
6 pounds of spinach.
I put her to work. Yep. Weighed in at 6 pounds. Oh well, we got a lot of work to do. Bye, y'all. But that's all I have for right now, so go team, will it grow? Shed Wars, yep. Can't wait for everything to start growing and weighing. Bye, y'all.